I'm live, but yeah.
Yo, 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 yo. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another beautiful Power Plays Palace Monday morning. So let's take a look at the chart from Friday. Let's see what we got here. So we was looking to go long. We got above 682, 683, 681 was our well, we're gonna set our stop loss. Looking for price target 680, 485, and 687. And if we reject it around those areas in the 682, 683 area, we put our stop above 683 and look for targets. 681, 679, and 677. And that's what we were looking at Friday. Let's look and see what Spot did on Friday. On Friday, Spot came in here around 680, opened up 680.85, pushed up 686, pulled back 683, and then it made a push. Well, it had one more strong push right here where it went up to 687, but then it pulled back to 684 area, and then it rushed all the way up for the rest of the day until it got all the way up to 692. So that's a total of a $12 range. So if you played the calls, you could have played that chart on Friday, and you'd have been looking very, very nice when you came out. So it was pretty day on the call side on Friday, and so as you can see, it far exceeded my numbers. But you could have got in at any one of these levels, and you would have been able to push it up. And like I said, because it was such a wide range on Friday, you were able to really see some movement. And so, as you can see, with my trend lines indicate there's a lot of red trend lines on the chart right now. I don't know if that's good or bad, but if you can look down over here, there was a gap up on the spot from 673 to 676 that happened early Friday in the AM. It just never got back to it. And so I'm gonna watch all this, especially looking at all these red trend lines. And that doesn't mean it's going down. It's a big green trend line right here, and right there, and right there. Currently, we're in the midst of some red trend lines. So we'll see how that responds from there. As you can see, that's widen the chart out. You can see more green in the chart. So we can definitely see that. So let's take a look at what we got for today. And then we'll go from there. It's Monday, man. We'll try to get it in and get it out the way, get this trading in. So, if SPY breaks and holds above the 692.36 area, you're looking for some long. Entry is around 692.50 to 692.90 with my stop going below 691.70 with my upside target 694.20, 696, and 698. And that's with, if it continues up and pushes up in the momentum and breaks through the pre-market high. But if SPY pushing the 691.80, 692.30 and stalls, I'll be watching for that rejection, that short area with my stop going above 693.10, the downside target 690.20, 688.90, and 688.10. And that's what we'll be looking at. And that's if, try to push up and can't break through. And what we'll do is wait, try to be disciplined. First 15, let that first counter close, and then from there, just play it after it attacks one of your levels. And once it breaks a level, wait for a pullback, because it usually don't go straight up. If it pulls back, then you have an opportunity to get in. I usually don't play out that first count. I'm looking for something strong like the 5 minute counter, because that's what I trade out for. But that's where we are with that right now. So that'll be your spot trade plan for the day. We're gonna be bullish above 692.36 and bearish below 688 and everything in between. That's like the chop area. So you're gonna stay patient, trade the levels, Not, just be disciplined, stay patient and take your time, because sometimes you get in too early and now you have to, we call it averaging down sometimes, where we done got in too early, then the stock price hadn't moved the way we wanted it to at that initial move. That's because it has to go up and retest and pull back sometimes. So you got to understand that if you're going to be trading out here, especially we doing options, so getting in and out is one of the keys to being successful doing this. And so what we try to do is get in and get back out at a good price. So you have to stay disciplined to do that, because you always want to get in at the best price, and you always want to sell when you reach your price target beyond that. And so that way you always in the positive. So that's, you definitely don't want to start trades in the negative. That's a quick way to get in the hole. And like I said, this is not financial advice, but this is some ideas for somebody who trade every day. And I'm just giving you the way I see it. And if you come over to Group Power Plays, you can, we can discuss all of this. You can learn the different things and what we're seeing, what we're doing. Even though we put the video up for the SPY, that's not the only ticker we actually work with. And with the changes being made in the market right now, where they've made a list of new uh, tickers that are having 3 days a week where the options are expiring, allowing you to trade it more frequently, allowing for more retail trading. I think it's gonna open up the market a little bit more. So, hey man, it's a good time to get in. It's a good time to learn. It's a good time to practice without taking extraordinary amount of risk. And over at Power Plays, we in there every day. Come in, join us. Check us out, see what we're doing. And if anything in my video help you with your trading, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. And it might not help you, but it might help somebody else. It's Power Plays, and that's what we do over here at Power Plays Palace. But if you want to trade, see what we're doing every day, come over to Power Plays, where it's a lot more than just the spot. But, this is what we put the videos for, because it's a great ticker with a lot of liquidity. And if you understand how it moves and get in and follow your discipline and trade plan, you'll be successful working with it. And so, as of right now, that's it for today. That's your trade plan. And have a great Monday, man. Come over and join Power Plays if you're interested in trading with us or learning about trading.